Today is 26th of June, 26th of May 2024. That we are going to have session with Miss Inisa. She's a experienced staff for KFC Indonesia. Yeah, for the logistic and experiment. Okay, so we are going to deal with the problem solving type for today, which there will be additional of certain idioms that have the possibility to increase the band score in IELTS. But of course, that we have to really put into account that idiom is actually not really necessary to be put, yeah, but it can be additional point if you can put in a proper place and a proper term, and also that if you already put like bunch of grammatical feature that is more important, so your ability in grammar as well as you already perform good vocabulary or the advanced vocabulary into your writing. Good morning, Miss Nisa. So,
It's 2
what
weeks.
time did you wake up?
When at 7:30, I guess.
7:30 when you answer my message, yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot actually. Yeah, I wanted to send you like Thursday or Friday, but I had so many classes, so I just realized I haven't got the answer from you when you are going to have session. Yeah.
Okay. It's okay, miss. I thought that we're gonna do the session on Saturday, but there is no.
No, Saturday I already informed that I went to Bogor for training for the English IELTS training for one whole school. So
Oh, I see.
yeah,
Okay.
it's the class also for the what is it, the collegians para
Uh-huh.
mahasiswa. So it's kind of from morning class like 11 until 4:30 in Bogor.
Oh,
So like several classes, several classes. So yeah.
wonderful day.
Yeah, they are very busy now. Just try
Okay.
to survive, uh, get into best university and for others. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, so they ask for effective training, and you also, yeah, that it's
Uh-huh.
I check already, yeah, for the one several university in UK, they expect
Okay.
highest for the master degree, they expect you to get 6.5, but then
Okay.
uh none of it could below 6
Oh, I see.
before.
Okay. Yeah.
Before they only
Mm-hmm.
require, they only ask that it's only for the writing that you supposed to not have it below 6, but now for all skill, for all four skills,
Oh, I see. Okay.
that is the new, many of the university in UK, yeah, require that one.
Okay.
But there is also a good news that if, for example, out of you got the overall 6.5 or 7, yes,
Yeah.
you're writing okay with 6, yeah. But
Okay.
how somehow probably the speaking you get below 6, IELTS now already been a year provide that what they call retake exam. Retake exam, you don't have to take the whole four skill. So only
Okay.
for the one that you wanted to change the skill, then because it is not meeting the requirement like that. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But I haven't checked the price, yeah, for it, but it's already exists. Yeah. I haven't checked the price whether 3.2 divide by some amount or I don't know. Yeah. So you should check.
Okay.
They provide that because like
Okay.
one time we get for example 7
Uh-uh.
the overall, and then the speaking session 7, the writing 7, and they're below 7, but then the overall 6.5. Yeah. Somehow, there will be also possibility that the score will go down. Or if you are not in good mood or good condition, yeah. So considering taking the retake is the good choice, yeah, because it will not change the score that already good like that.
Oh, I see. Okay. So I
Sense?
just
Yeah.
think this so that maybe I have a below of 6 or 7. Just one skill or maybe few skills or
Yes.
just mm,
Just take the one that your skill is going down, because the possibility of the one that you got high before, if you take the again the full set, possibility of going down might appear. Yeah,
yeah,
the student who does the lesson, they are prepared for the structure, they are prepared with the training, blah blah blah. Yeah, so when they are ready for the test, they take the test and get the shot. Yeah, it's already a high band.
Oh,
But once you don't have lesson anymore, you might forget. Nah,
yeah, yeah,
forget certain rules like about the structure, that not forget all, yeah, but forget some. But as I said, I'm raising the score itu kan the step by step, ya.
mm,
From giving the what is it like the structure first, and then helping out with the sample, giving you the vocabulary, and then after that giving kind of like today I gave you as well the idioms, ya, grammatical
mm,
features like that. Itu kan di
mm,
guide, ya. Jadi
yeah,
cepat progresnya. Mm-mm. Nah, cepat progresnya itu kalau nggak langsung take the test, itu
mm,
pasti beberapa pointer akan lupa.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
yeah,
Jadi di situ ya, because you are all working people ya. Working people itu
yeah,
tendensinya ya punya target gitu ya. Tapi balik lagi, kebiasaan atau training yang sudah dilakukan itu juga membantu kalau tesnya langsung dilakukan. Makanya jangan lama-lama. Kau udah take the session ya gitu. Jangan
mm,
berpikir, ah aku udah bisa 6 bulan lagi lah I take the test. That's gonna be danger. You might forget. Dan itu pasti forget.
yeah,
Lihat aja, you don't have the lesson 10 days ya Miss. With me. 10 days or 11 days gitu. Harus diingatkan lagi gitu untuk lebih
okay,
detail ya yang dimasukin ini grammatical feature-nya ini. Kayak gitu-gitu. Uh,
yeah,
jadi my suggestion, when you're done with the session, your session itu kan masih ada two more session ya, Miss. Mm,
mm,
more hour ya. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya nggak ikut dengan, nggak langsung ngambil tesnya karena waktu kerjanya nggak bisa atau apapun,
mm.
kamu join kelas regular Miss Ina, just join aja untuk maintain tepat, tapi kelas regular
Oh,
ya, untuk maintain
uh,
strateginya ya.
okay,
Karena memang kecenderungan bisa gitu kan sayang. Udah belajar gitu terus nggak di maintain.
yeah,
Kelas reguler itu kan ada twice a week. Ya ikutlah
mm.
sekali gitu. Nah, karena dia malam at night.
Just for review ya berarti.
Iya, just for review. Heeh. Karena dikhawatirkan itu ya itu kan karena kan like you said that I don't know when I'm going to take the test, Miss, but
Yeah,
somehow udah lesson sayang dan pasti masih tetap mau punya keinginan kan for the
iya,
even not in a short time gitu. Dan ya let's take it, you sekarang ini kan June ya. Let's probably I will take December karena nanti ada buka bulan Februari untuk sini. Nah, itu di maintain aja 2 minggu sekali ikut satu session, 1 minggu
oh,
sekali ikut satu session gitu. Kayak gitu-gitu ya sampai uh, yakin, iya nih aku harus ngambil sekarang nih gitu. Ya,
iya,
okay.
iya,
Suggestion to you. Right. So the problem solving essay, it's becoming the second type, yeah, in writing task two. Okay. The question is very simple in here about the global warming. As you
mm,
also know the structure, yeah. First paragraph is always the introduction, you mention
mm,
paraphrasing it, giving the opening statement. Yeah, it's not gonna be so. so long for the introduction. But for the second paragraph and third paragraph, it's gonna be stating the problem and then the solution until the result of the solution. Yeah, second and
Mm-mm.
similar. You still remember this pattern?
I hope so, Miss. So, when we use we when we do the writing task 2, it must be 4 paragraphs or
No, no. It can be 3 paragraph. It can be 5 paragraph. Yes.
oh, I see.
For example, the solution. The solution can be 3 solutions, not only 2. Yeah. Or you manage to make second and third paragraph into just second paragraph. Yeah. Kind of like the problem with all the solution, with all the result. Yeah.
Oh,
But
I
it's
see. Okay.
like making our brain complicated. Yes. And then if your brain becoming complicated, you take longer time malahan jadinya.
Okay.
It's based already on the result. That the fourth paragraph is the best one for the writing task one and writing task two. Ini kan udah
Okay.
ya tak expert and me we did many research with hundreds of students ya, thousands of students ya. When they are
Mm-mm.
trying to put into three paragraph only, problemnya adalah penumpukan. Ya,
Mm-mm.
ada problem itu kan harus dijelaskan dengan solusinya, per solution. Di solution itu harus ada example-nya. Di example-nya
Mm-mm.
itu nanti harus ada lagi result dari solusi tersebut, solusi satu ya. Habis itu lanjut lagi ke solusi 2. Nah, begitu lagi berulang ya. Berarti ada 6 pointers dalam satu paragraf. Ketika mau
Okay.
edit, kenapa? Because we have to present a high grammatical feature ya, where you
Mm-mm.
or neither nor itu nanti ngelihatnya aja nggak ini Miss, yang mana ya yang mau diinin ini tadi yang mana gitu, ada proses jadi
Mm-mm.
mencari-cari padahal kan kita cuma mau nambahin quality. Itu karena udah
Mm-mm.
menumpuk pada one paragraph.
Mm-mm.
Kayak jadi 3. Kalau yang 5 paragraph ya, itu cenderung membutuhkan waktu lebih banyak lagi. Kenapa? Sampel solutionnya 3, berarti contoh situasinya juga 3, resultnya juga 3. Imagine you have to make 9
Oh, iya, iya.
lagi untuk adding up collocations,
Hmm.
idioms, grammatical feature. Jadi maintaining 40 minutes itu memang nggak bisa gegabah ya. Tapi
Iya.
when you ask, is it a must to create only 4 paragraph? No. Ya, some people kan
Mm-mm.
have tendency that I'm great in this one gitu. Ya nggak apa-apa. Ya. Nggak ada rules-nya harus 4 paragraph. No. Kalau di IELTS sendiri nggak ada. Ya.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so let's deal with this one. Global warming is one of the biggest threats humans face in the 21st century, and sea levels continue to rise at alarming rate. What problem are associated, apa yang terjadi ya dengan kondisi seperti ini? Itu harus dijelaskan dulu di paragraf 2 dan paragraf 3 ya. Masing-masing. Terus bagaimana solusi?
Mm-mm.
Oke?
Uh, I'm sorry, Miss. For this type of text,
Yes.
so every paragraph has one problem, one solution.
Ya. Mm-mm. One
Uh,
problem, one
uh-uh.
problem, oh, bisa one solution, bisa two solution ya gitu. Jadi
Oh.
ada tipikal yang dia nggak nanya problemnya, cuma nanya solutionnya aja. Tapi kalau ini itu dia nanya problemnya sebetulnya apa ya gitu. Uh, si levelnya continue itu kenapa?
I see. Okay.
Apa problemnya? Karena terlalu apa? Terlalu panas ya? Is it because the
Mm-hmm.
heat overheat ya? Overheat of the surface in the earth, and then solusinya apa untuk mencegah overheat? Yang kedua is probably because of the breaking the ozone ya.
Mm-hmm.
Ya, ozone becoming like thinner ya, thinner, so
Mm-hmm.
all the kind of like the heat from the sun goes into the earth. Ya, itu second problemsnya ya, yang consider our thought lah. Kenapa sih gitu si level itu continue? Gitu. Jadi dia ada pertanyaannya lagi gitu. Enggak semuanya tapi kayak gini ya. Kalau ini memang problemnya sendiri ditanya, terus some possible solutionnya untuk masing-masing.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Oke, oke,
Oke?
oke, oke.
Hmm. Nah, gini, ketika 30 menit awal itu nggak usah
Mm-mm.
about, kalau ingat ya nggak apa-apa. Atau kalau memang secara otomatis itu muncul dalam pemikiran, diketik tentang grammatical feature-nya. Ya,
Mm-mm.
ih, nanti mesin akan kirim grammatical feature. Tapi kalau enggak, naturally aja, asal sesuai structure, yes,
Mm-mm.
30 menit baru tuh mulai editing untuk nambah-nambahin si
Oh iya ya.
picture, si collocation, si idioms. Ya, I will present on board what you need. Okay,
Oke, Miss.
waste our time ya. It's gonna be 40 minutes in total, but 30 minutes writing awalnya. Ya,
Oke.
okay. So I will ask you to submit in what is it? 8:50. Yeah, I will write in
Oke,
8:50
Miss.
for rough draft.
Mm. It's a same question,
Yes,
right?
the same questions. This is
Okay.
just a sample. Yeah.
Global warming is one of the biggest threats human facing to the process. What problems and what are some possible solutions? Global warming is one of biggest threats. Human face.
Miss Nisa, Miss Nisa,
Ya, Miss.
if you reach up already second paragraph, would you mind sending me your first and second paragraph? Then
Oh,
I'll
iya, iya.
review it. Yeah.
Oke. Wait, Miss.
Okay, I got it.
A second.
Oh, Miss Lisa, sorry. Regarding your
Mhm.
first paragraph, paraphrasing is quite clear. That's why the name is paraphrasing. That you can only take the sentences from the question maximum 30%, which mean this is when I see this, you are making it 100% the same. It's called plagiarism, yes. So change
Oh,
the, yes, it is very forbidden that you copy from the questions, yeah. Mm. Paraphrasing means that you are restating the situation in other words, yeah, which is similar, but somehow 30% still okay, yeah, but no more than 30%, yeah. Mm. So change a
in
little,
the first. Oh, yeah, in the first paragraph ya.
yeah, first paragraph ya, yeah. Paraphrasing itu paraphrasing ya, 30% max the same words ya.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Kayaknya yang dulu-dulu you are good already. Lupa ya.
Eh, Bentar. Aku malah pakai first paragraph dari yang dulu-dulu juga, Miss.
Eh, bukan ininya, strukturnya udah benar.
Ah.
Kosakatanya, kosakatanya nggak boleh sama sama questionsnya, Miss.
Oh, I see. Oke, oke.
Nah,
Jadi,
kalau strukturnya benar,
heeh.
kosakatanya. Paraphrasing itu adalah mengambil kata, tapi
Mm-mm.
gantinya juga with the same meaning, gitu.
Oh, I see. Oke.
Oke.
Oke, oke. Jadi aku nggak ngambil sepenuhnya dari
Yes,
questionnya ya. Oke.
indeed. Hmm.
Oke.
Ya, laki udah kelihatan di sini. Karena
Ya,
mereka
oke.
tegas banget untuk paraphrasing itu. Hmm. Kan the editing is adding up the grammatical feature that I said already previously. You can see ya.
Ya,
Hmm.
ya, ya.
Probably a little bit of collocation. One collocation enough. While
Oke.
fixing, sorry, that you did kind of like for mistake, yeah, for the spelling occur, and
Oke.
yes,
Heeh.
actually not spelling mistake. Another one is you supposed to make it as adjective, efficient, but you wrote efficiency. So you
Ah,
it is gonna be adjective or it's
ya.
gonna be noun, yeah. Efficiency,
Oke.
the adjective efficient, something like that, yeah. So
Oke.
re reading all over again from your first until last paragraph, okay?
Oke, Miss. Okay, Miss. It's done.
It's done, yeah? Okay, let's see.
Occur. Wait. Yeah, I cannot edit. Wait. I will resign.
Occur spelling. Yeah. It's in the second paragraph, I believe.
Okay. Second paragraph, Miss.
Yes, I believe that's it.
Occur.
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 Yeah.
O- o- occurred. Sama efficiency, jadi it's efficient. So,
When you had your work, did you already kind of like notice that you have to make editing from the first paragraph? Or you just finish it and directly send me?
uh,
I still have
no,
time for
I just
editing? No time.
well every I finish one paragraph, I review it first and edit
Oh,
it first, then I send it. Uh, so I just make sure that every paragraph that I send to you doesn't have to revise, but yeah, it's still it's still
it doesn't matter. Yeah, why? Because like when we are doing this is your writing, yeah. Let me
yeah.
have a clear shot that your second paragraph is this. Second paragraph is the first problem, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has 330 words, Miss.
Efficient spelling, checking
Okay.
out, and problem, you missed that. This
Oh
problem,
yeah.
M and surely no S, yeah, because
Okay.
it means singular.
Problem.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The blah blah blah. The second problem, yeah, it's gonna be the
Yeah.
third paragraph. Hmm.
Yeah.
Then the last one will be starting from
Overall.
overall. Very well. Let's we see the one that you make in here. Yes, as this is speaking session also, you may read.
Okay. At this century, global warming become one of the biggest threats and affect this rise of the sea levels to highly risk. In the next paragraphs, I will elaborate the problems and solutions that humans can possibly do for the future in detail.
If I consider doing editing for the first paragraph, it's going to be global warming becomes, yeah, because global
Mm,
warming is it.
okay.
And then,
Become.
yeah, hmm, in the next paragraph, I supposed to be capital letter.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Forgot that, Miss. I will. Yeah. Okay.
May continue, second paragraph.
Okay. The worst problem in global warming can possibly happen because the illegal logging that still occurred, especially in tropical forest country. Many people keep doing this because they feels it much efficient to keep the business and it cutting corners. If they had to lodging at specific area or forest, yeah, it takes much time and money for the operational. The solution of this problem is the government may take serious action based on law about illegal logging problems. Neither neither money penalty that can cover losses or jail. The result of the solution can be effective for the executor of illegal logging to rethink or have doubts about breaking the law.
Okay. Second paragraph review. Yeah. The first problem in global warming can possibly happen. There are what we call models in English. Can, could, shall, should, may, might, had better, must, will, would. They are all models. We call them models.
Okay.
After models, word. So the one in the happen, it's supposed to be only happen without ed.
Mm,
Yeah. All models rules like that. Yeah.
mm,
Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, had,
mm,
ought to, must. Yeah. There are 30
mm.
in English. It's no need to put tenses. Yeah. So can
Uh,
possibly happen without.
possibly happen without ed.
Yes, because there is the can.
Okay.
Because the illegal logging that still occur. If it is still occur, that means you don't need to use past tense. Just
Oh,
occur.
occur. Just occur. Yeah.
Because
Okay. Okay.
what you mean is it still happens, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the illegal logging that still occurs with S. Not
Occurs.
if you put
Okay.
occurred, it's something that already passed. Yeah. But I believe that
Okay.
to say it still happens until now. Yeah. Occurs with
Yeah.
S. He, she, it in present tense using S.
Okay.
Especially in tropical forest country. Many people keep doing this because they feel it now. They on the verb not giving S. Only he, she, it you put S. Kalau they just feel. They feel without S.
Okay.
Feel it much efficient to keep the business and it
They
cuts
feel
corner. And it cuts corner.
cut corner. Okay. Okay.
If they had to logging, if they had to logging, what do you mean by it had to logging?
Kalau mereka harus melakukan apa logging yang non ilegal gitu loh, Miss, maksudnya in specific area or forest.
If they had to do ah,
To do
if they
legal
had to
logging.
do illegal logging,
No, 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 no. I mean that they kalau misalnya mereka melakukan logging yang legal bukan ilegal, itu
huh?
harus dilakukan di spesifik area.
Oh, if they had to do the logging just like that, ya, to do
Heeh.
itu kurang verbnya. If they had to, if they had kalau
Nah,
if you wanted to use logging, if they had to log, ya, jadi nggak pakai
oh,
if
nggak
they
pakai
have
ing
to
ya.
log ya, tapi kan illegal logging itu kayak noun ya, dia dia nggak
Ya,
ganti dengan log aja tuh nggak bisa ya. Jadi
iya.
if they had to do legal logging
Heeh.
in specific area ya,
Use in ya. Oke.
in specific area, spelling areanya kurang
Mm-mm.
it ini kan belum ya, kalau masih conditional ya, jadi it will take much time and money.
Oh,
Conditional.
it will take much time and money for the
Because
operational. Okay.
considering ini kan masih situation that if blah 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 blah,
Yeah,
they
if
will blah,
condition.
do some action.
Oh,
It
okay.
will take much time and money for the operational. The solution of
Okay.
this problem is the government may take serious action based on a law about illegal logging problems. Right? Neither money penalty can cover losses nor jail.
Oh, sorry, Miss. Okay. Nor. Okay.
The result of this solution can be effective for the executor of illegal logging to rethink or have doubts about breaking the law. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the second problem of global warming is that society keeps on using,
Mm. Keep on using.
yeah, keeps on
Yeah.
using uh,
Uh-uh.
ini dia
Siap.
lebih hati-hatinya untuk yang he, she, it ya. He, she, it itu kalau pakainya present tense ya. Present tense itu kan dia fungsinya tenses yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan sesuatu yang common, yang common
Mm-mm.
ya, alam ya, tentang proses alam, tapi nggak boleh dengan spesifik waktu ya, gitu.
Mm-mm.
Atau suatu kejadian yang terjadi dalam keseharian
Mm-mm.
ya, yang normally happen. Nah, untuk he, she, it di present tense itu verbnya pakai s, tapi I, we, they, you, no. Okay. So that means when you are using the second problem of global warming is that society keeps on using CFC product that can affect the ozone layer much thinner. The reason is CFC product how if is the reason is CFC product is more
Is
efficient.
more.
Ya, if you
I'm
want to say
using
much,
more.
okay, ya. Kalau more karena harus di compare lagi. Much efficient and makes.
I see. Oh, I
Kecuali,
keep.
kecuali kalau mau bilang itu products, ya.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Ini CFC ini produk atau ini ya, atau eh,
CFC products means like
carbon dioxide.
refrigerant. Yeah, miss. But in this part, CFC product tuh nggak, eh maksudnya adalah produk yang contain CFC.
Ya, ya, waste ya, waste
Mm-mm.
and pollution, right? Jadi ya
Iya.
terserah, it's up to you whether you wanted to make
Mm.
it into plural or singular, it doesn't matter, ya. Cuman di
Oke.
state aja when you say is, berarti dia singular gitu, ya.
Mm-mm. Oke.
Bisa pakai are, kan. Terus kalau keep ya berarti dia jadi keeps gitu. Karena it
Oke.
satu it. The
Oke, miss.
reasons, nah ini the reason jadi is harusnya the reasons are gitu.
Oh, ya
Jadi I meant
ampun. Grammar aku kok jadi berantakan
is
gini.
singular and pluralnya ya
Oh,
mention that one. Okay, then continue the rest by you are going to edit your own writing and send me the proper one. Okay, ya. Ini masalah singular
mm-mm.
and plural. But about the structure, you are good. Ya, you are already
Okay.
presenting the problem, the solution, as well with the sample and the result of each of the
Yeah.
solution that is being implemented. Yeah, or that is being explained by you.
Okay.
Okay. So, any other than that is probably kind of like how you are going to manage using the what is it ya we have in English itu kayak gitu ya, common
Iya.
expression poses a big threat to on the other hand it may be tempting to argue
Mm-mm.
that ya something that ya kayak orang Indonesia kan punya our own typical sentences ya gitu.
Mm-mm.
English also has. Nah, ini adalah list-list yang I will send this to you. So later on you can just use it inside your writing. Yeah. Any other than that, hope that you
Mm-mm.
try to kind of like what is it? Um,
Mm-mm. Oke.
like to fix ya. Hmm, English Okay, I see
Okay.
already. Probably you can add up some of this, yeah, into your writing. That ada satu lagi.
However, undoubtedly,
Ya,
result it can be seen as the
eh,
result. Okay.
nggak semuanya bisa untuk typical problem solving gitu, tapi eh,
Mm,
lumayan lah. Ini ada yang lebih lengkap lagi. Nah kan kita masih terbiasa dengan I have in bahasa Indonesia and I translate, right?
yeah, Miss.
Nah, itu yang harus dikurangi, ya bukan dihilangkan, tapi dikurangi atau digantikan dengan yang lebih English expression. Ini untuk mencapai band 7 up ya, Miss ya. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Ya, tes itu lebih komplit yang kedua. Oke, so
So zoom out.
ya,
Okay.
see you and
Okay.
next session, Miss.
Thank you, Miss Nina. Sorry, Miss. So I'll send you the
Edited
proper
one.
text, the
Uh-uh.
edited one. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Ya, bye, Miss Nisa. Nanti
Thank you, Miss Nina.
see you next week ya.
Yeah,
Assalamualaikum.
Miss. Waalaikumsalam.
Tes. Have a rest. Take care of
Okay,
your
Miss.
dan semua yang generation tuh kayak capek banget kerja ya. Relaxnya di luar
Liburan?
negeri, Miss. Relax di luar
Heeh.
negeri. Makanya kalau di luar negeri itu happiness sebetulnya. Tapi jangan ke Asia ya. Luar negerinya tuh yang
Iya.
Eropa, yang itu. Lebih relax, lebih bisa calm, gitu. Mikir, lebih. Oke,
So, iya,
baik.
Miss.
Salam.
Thank you, Miss Nina.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
The session ya.